Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news we're in for the final 10 days before the US Labor Day holiday, and most Northern Hemisphere participants are taking vacations ahead of what could be an active and volatile economic period through to the end of year holiday season. Yesterday, wholesale interest rates started to rise again in New Zealand. That was just a precursor for the overnight international bond market, where the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield jumped back to 1.35% despite some weak economic data. Part of the reason for the turn up is the US Fed's focus on the Jackson Hole meeting and the signals Fed boss Powell will be giving. Markets expect he will acknowledge that the current inflation impulse is likely to be less transitory and have longer-term implications. In the US, new orders for manufactured durable goods in July decreased slightly, although the fall was less than expected. But non-defence capital goods orders fell quite sharply, although that was from an unusually strong June. Aircraft orders were especially weak. From the same 2019 month, these capital goods orders were 8% lower, so that is a poor result. It is not clear, however, how much the logistics supply chain constraints are having on these results. In China, their central bank has been telling commercial banks there to lend more, especially to SMEs, and to lower interest rates. They're clearly worried about the slowing momentum in the Chinese economy. And aluminium prices are expected to jump from already high levels as China's refiners are ordered to cut back, and a fire at a very large Jamaican refinery will also cramp global supply, especially to the US. The US Treasury 10-year yield is up 6 basis points today at 1.35% and extending its strong rise. And the price of gold is lower today, down $17 from this time yesterday, and now at $1,789 an ounce. And oil prices have risen again, this time by another 50 cents. So in the US, they're now just over $68 a barrel, while the international Brent price is just over $71 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today firmer again, back up to 69.6 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're slightly firmer at 95.9 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're also firm at 59.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at just over 72.9 and back in the 72 to 74 range of the past 10 months. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.